Hi everyone, my name is Michael Judd and I'm from Augur Accountants. We're an accounting firm based in the UK. We offer fractional CFO services as well as a full range of accounting services. We're also Odoo partners, and we developed the payroll module for Odoo in the UK, which we also provide to a number of our clients. And today I wanted to show you a little bit about what we've done with the Odoo UK Payroll and what we intend to do going forward. So let's go ahead and create a new database. There we go, no demo data, go ahead. So that should now create. So that should be finished pretty quickly. There we go. And then let's log in. Okay, so there we go. We haven't got any apps in there at the moment, so let's go and look for payroll. There it is, let's activate it. And now let's go into payroll, look at configuration settings, and then that's where you choose the payroll localization. You can see here the UK payroll in here. So let's just quickly have a look at the module information. You can see here that this module is created by Augur Accountants. That's an accounting firm which is based in the UK. And here you can see what's included at the moment. So weekly and monthly pay runs with all the UK tax codes and PAYE information. The differences in tax rates for England, Northern Ireland, Wales and Scotland, all the different national insurance rules, including those around benefits in kind and expenses, and also for directors of companies. This module also accommodates student loans and postgraduate loans, and also payroll giving, where you make deductions directly from the payroll and give to a UK charity. There are the usual payslip disclosures that are required. We can submit from here the full payment schedule submission and the employer payment summary directly to HMRC. We can account for statutory maternity, paternity, adoption and sick leave pay. We can process bonus, commissions, car allowances and all sorts of other allowances that you might have. We have the option of calculating pension contributions, whether they are limited at the statutory limit, or whether the company decides to pay those contributions right up until whatever the employee is paid. And we include also in this all the UK bank holidays. There is ongoing work to add additional functionality for the apprenticeship levy, national insurance for investment zones, free ports, veterans, apprentices and mariners. So if any of those apply to you, we can configure those. There are some special tax rules around payments in lieu, termination awards and also sporting testimonial payments. We have some leave tracking which is included as part of Odoo, but we're doing some additional configuration for the UK market, and we intend to add into the application the gender pay report. That's a report that's required by the UK government where you have more than 100 employees. It's also useful for smaller employees to understand the balance of pay between males and females in the organisation. We're also looking to support free of tax arrangements, and also make all the additional disclosures and claims to the government for all the different types of statutory leave that you may want to claim. Right, so that's what we want to do. Let's go back to payroll localization. Let's activate that for the UK. Okay, so there we are. The UK module's installed. Let's have a quick look at what's included in this. So first of all, public holidays. If you look at the public holidays, we provide all of those going forward. Also, if you go back to the employees, you'll see that we've created a 37.5 hour week for the UK. Enter in your tax code and your national insurance number and your national insurance category, which are required settings for calculating PAYE and national insurance. When you go into the payroll itself, you'll see that you can use the standard functionality for creating contracts. Here I'll create one for the administrator. Director. Contract type, permanent. Let's start at the beginning of the year. You can set a pay rate. So in the UK, you're probably aware that you need to pay pension contributions. The minimum requirement is 8%, and the company must pay at least 3%. So in this case, we're going to enter 3 and 5 in here. This is where you can allow the pension contributions to be calculated above the maximum rate of 32.70, and also flag them as auto-enrollment. Or you can also flag here whether the employee has a student loan or a graduate loan. I don't in this particular case. Let's do that. We need to move this to running so that it works, and then we can go to pay slips, and actually probably we want to create a batch first for April 2024. Just set the dates on that. Great, let's do that. Now let's add some pay slips. Got need to find yet, so let's create a pay slip for the MD. Let's start it for April. We'll add it into the April batch, and then it should just be a matter of clicking compute. Okay, and there you have it. After running the compute on the sheet, you'll see that we've got the basic salary and the allowances in there to calculate a gross amount. Then we've got the PAYE, which is calculated correctly based on their tax code, and the amount of income on a year-to-date basis. Also their employee and national insurance and their employer national insurance. And of course the pension contributions and the amount that the pension contributions are based on, which is not of course the gross salary. And then finally the net salary at the end of the day. So that's all there. We can confirm this and print it, and then once the print has generated, it creates obviously a payslip, which is also then available inside the system. So if I close those tabs now, you'll see that the payslip is inside of here. That's all I wanted to show you today. A little bit of progress on how the UK payroll is coming on, and I'll create another update shortly. Thanks for watching.